at the University Vision, a premier science and technology university in Southeast Asia. The university mission. The university is committed to providing inclusive, innovative, and internationally recognized degree programs that proactively respond to community and industry needs through sustainable integrations of its core functions, empowering multi-stakeholders to address regional and national development within the dynamic context of the global knowledge economy and the industry. The university goals. Based on the university vision and mission, it will articulate a sustained quality higher education system within the Philippines in alignment with CHED SUC labeling and the other national and international standards. Develop innovative, industry responsive academic programs that foster strong local, national, and international partnerships with key stakeholders, uh, students, faculty, industry, community, academic partners, align with regional, national, and global development priorities, vitalize internal resource generation and technopreneurship initiatives driven by its intellectual assets to ensure the university's long-term financial sustainability and growth, achieve and sustain high national and international university rankings through excellence in instruction, research, extension, and production. Nurture comprehensive information technology, uh, physical infrastructure, and human resource development programs aimed at enhancing talent, professional growth, and institutional capability to attain optimal operational efficiency. Cultivate a culture of disaster resilient and sensitized community guided by innovation, excellence, and world-class standards. And lastly, engage actively in sustainable and impactful community collaboration aligned with cultural preservation and cultural preservation and valuing humanity as the innermost core of society. University outcomes. By the end of 2030, the university will have transformed visionary leadership and innovation to accelerate regional and national development in the context of the modern industrial revolution. Increase access by economically challenged but deserving students to relevant, quality, and world-class tertiary education with learning integration of practical experiences to achieve inclusive and sustainable growth. Foster globally competitive research-intensive university that encourages collaboration across different fields to drive high-impact research, innovation, and sustainable uh, economy. Instituted innovative systems resulting in effective, efficient, sustainable, and equitable resource generation, mobilization, and management, including optimal utilization of resources provided by the government and expansion of other revenue and funding streams for financial sustainability, heighten sustainable community and stakeholder engage merits with harmonized institutional, financial, administrative, and policy frameworks that attain the highest academic research, extension, and research generation excellence standards. And lastly, forge strategic local and international linkages, mm, partnerships, and initiatives leading to a heightened regional and global role in the modern industrial revolution and human intellectual capital for sustained economic development. And that's all. for the University VMGO. Thank you.